What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got e-girl vibes. Okay, I've been seeing so many like beautiful creators on TikTok just doing all these like e-girl looks, like the big Barbie eyes, the faux freckles, and the little kitty cat ears, little heart. Oh my god, I love that aesthetic. That's definitely not my aesthetic. I feel like I'm more of like a colorful person, but today was the day that I finally decided to break out my inner e-girl, my inner, just kitty cat girl goth vibe, I guess. But this is the look that I'm going to be creating with you guys today, like the eyes and the face makeup and all that good stuff. So if you're curious to see me turn myself into an e-girl, then you already, I keep sucking this hair into my mouth like this whole time I'm filming my ending and my beginning intros. I keep sucking this hair into my mouth. Anyways, so if you want to see me create this very beautiful makeup, then you better keep on watching. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids, as always, with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 2. And I'm gonna bring it down a little bit under my eye, as well as out here. So I really wanted to use my Hank and Henry eye kits. I do have 3 of them. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of all of them because why not? So the first one is the King's Queen, which looks like this. It has like a peachy and then like the shimmer. I'm gonna take this peachy shade, which is called Ooh Bitch. Ooh Bitch. I'm gonna take it on a big fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Shack T12. And I'm just going to put this like all over the lid. This is gonna be the main color. Alright, now I'm going to take a more like tapered brush and I'm going to be going into the Mist Red Carpet Eye Kit, and I'm just going to take the brown, which is called She Got Bread. And I'm just going to put this right in the outer corner and a little ways. Sorry, my son has this big ass truck that he's pushing around right now. So anyways, I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to put it right in this corner, as well as smoking it across my lash line. And now I'm going to go in with El Jefe. This is the El Jefe eye kit, and this eyeshadow is Si Se Puede. I know I'm white, but I mean, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to take a little flat brush and dip into the black. I'm going to start under my lashes and then flick the wing up and out. Something sort of like that. Now I'm going to take a kind of flat, dense brush and I'm going to go back into the brown. And I'm going to smoke this wing out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some more of my base on this like fluffy brush. And I'm just going to clean this up. Going back in with the first eye kit, which is the King's Queen, I'm going to take the shimmer. Oh God, these shimmers are so nice. His formula is out of this world, especially for the shimmers. Oh my God, okay. I'm just going, like, look, this is completely dry, just on a flat brush, like not even my finger. And just look how stunning that is. So I'm just going to kind of slap that on the front there. So I feel like this would not be true e-girl style if I didn't do all the rest of the stuff. So that is just about it for the eyes. Usually they more focus on like the liner and like the wings and, you know, all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, like my face makeup, which we can do together. Let's go ahead and do the face makeup and then we can come back and finish the eyes. For my primer today, I'm going to be going in with the Glassy Skin Balm by Touch and Soul. This stuff is so nice, like it's so like cooling. So I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. So I'm gonna be using my ABH contour stick. Clearly too dark for me. We'll fix that. Oh, nose action. So this is in the shade Amber. And then I'm going to take this LA Pro Concealer, the shade 20. And I'm going to use this to lighten this contour up a bit. Okay, so I do want my freckles to kind of show through. So I don't want like a super full coverage foundation. So I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. And then I really wanted a light concealer, and my lightest concealer that I have is my Too Faced Born This Way. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little something, something here, a little something, something here. Now I'm going to take some of my Maybelline Cheek Heat because I want hella blush. Hella blush. So now I'm going to take my, this is the, what is it, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Powder. So it shouldn't mess with my blush. So now I'm going to take my Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette, and I'm going to go ahead and contour and bronze with these two shades here. And I always like to keep my bronzer, like my contour and all that stuff, I like to keep it real high up on my cheekbones. See this line? I like to keep it above that line. I almost forgot my blush. This is the Aoa Perfect Blush in the shade Frenzy. And I'm just hella blush everywhere. I think, so this is a very like light blush, even though it's very pigmented. So I am gonna go in with my NYX Sweet Cheeks because it's so dark and beautiful. Grab my mirror so I don't overdo it. Just literally all on my temple. I like it to be really dark. I don't know. I've just been doing that and I really like it. So I'm just gonna make this like super blushy. Hank & Henry has the bombest shimmers and they have the bombest highlights. So I'm going to be going in with the Brilliant Pearl highlights in Glow Bandit, which looks like this. I'm trying to only go in this corner because I want to keep that little beautiful design in it. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight to the gods. Okay, so now that my face is done, we could go back and finish up all the fun stuff on the eyes. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to go ahead and line up my eyeball. I'm going to take my Maybelline Hyperstay and I'm going to create some little fake lashes on the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead with my Wild Child Cosmetics Indigo, right? Indigo? Yeah. Indigo lashes. And you guys already seen my lippy, but we're going to go ahead and put that on. So I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I put on the final touches. I just, so I put a wing, like wherever like we smoked the wing out. I put it like an actual wing because it wasn't as dark as like the like under lashes. So I went ahead and I just like actually winged it out, and then I did like little lashes and a little heart, and I added some extra freckles because I felt like actually that Too Faced concealer actually covered my freckles up pretty well, so I kind of wanted those to pop out a little bit. And then my lipstick, this is the Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick in LOVE, which is Love. Look how pretty this is. I am so happy with how everything turned out. I'm living my best e-girl life. Let me know how you guys think that I did. Do you like the makeup? Should I do my makeup like this more often? But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.